Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. Today in this video, as usual, we will be doing the daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action from the weekly time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current support and resistance levels for each time frame analysis. So when we look at the events plan for today is Tuesday, September 27th. At 5 p.m. we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs, followed by which we have medium impacting news at 6 p.m. for US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 7:25 p.m. we have medium impacting news for US dollar related currency pairs. Again we have high impacting news at 7:30 p.m. for US dollar related currency pairs. So there are lots of high impacting news and medium impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of momentum in gold for today. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the past price action in weekly time frame, from the level of 1162, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bullish side on a bullish trend. Then we have noticed a price to test the level of 2077 and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So when we look at the structure formed by this price action, it is a double top pattern. We can expect it to retrace to the level where it started its bullish trend. I've also drawn a parallel line or a support line over here. We can expect it to retrace back to this trend line or the support line. I have also used the Fibonacci's levels to understand how low it can retrace. So if the price action retrace up to this support line, it is going to be a 50% retracement, and 50% retracement is going to be around 1560. And if the price action breaks this 50% retracement, we can expect it to test the next level of support, which is going to be around 61.80 level, which is going to be around 1440. And all this price action is considered only as a retracement of the bullish trend it has made in the past. It is not a trend reversal, it is only a retracement. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. I've already done the bearish channel pattern, and we already know that the current trend of the price action is in a very strong bearish trend. It has also broken the previous strong support level of 1680, and it is in a very strong bearish trend. So if the bearish trend continues, we can expect it to take support on this bearish channel pattern support line, because we have noticed a price action to take support on these levels and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, then to continue on the bearish trend. So the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is also on a bearish trend. So currently we are noticing the price action to retrace on the bullish side for now, and if the bullish retracement continues also, we can expect it to find the resistance at the level of 1648. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to retest at the previous resistance level of 1680. It is not a bullish side trend reversal, it is only a retracement on the bullish side. And if the price action continues its bearish trend, next level of support is going to be around 1604 or 1600 in daily time frame. And if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect it to take support around the level of 1559 to 1551. We also have the weekly time frame trend line or support line running over here. So even if the price action continues its bearish trend, we can expect it to take support on the weekly time frame blue color support line running over here. So current trend of the price action in daily time frame is also in a very strong bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, previously we have noticed a price action to trend on a bearish trend, and currently it has taken support on the previous bearish channel pattern support line, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Here we have the daily time frame resistance level of 1648. We can expect this level to be acting as a resistance level for the current price action, and only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1648, we can expect it to retest this bearish channel pattern resistance level. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to test the weekly time frame resistance level of 1680. And as long as the price action is trading within this green color bearish channel pattern, we can expect the price action to be trending on a bearish trend in 4 hours time frame. So the current bullish side momentum is only a retracement. It is not a bullish side trend reversal for now in 4 hours time frame also. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, again the price action has bounced back from the 4 hours time frame bearish channel pattern resistance line on a bearish side retracement, and we have noticed the price action to take support on the bearish channel pattern support line and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. First level of resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 1648, and only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to test the bearish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame. So as usual, I will recommend you to draw a resistance line over here to understand the current trend of the price action. As long as the price action is trading within this resistance line and the support line, it will be trading on a bearish trend, and once the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to start its bullish side retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all going to be the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to be trading between the support level of 1627 and resistance level of 1638, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1627, next level of support is going to be around 1620, 1608, and if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1638, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1648, 1657, 1670. Here we have the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to retest the higher time frame resistance level of 1680. And for now, the current price action is consolidating within this resistance line and the support line. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. Previously in 30 minutes time frame, we have noticed a price action to form a double top pattern, and it has also completed its retracement to the level where it started its double top pattern, and currently we are noticing it to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Wait for it to break this previous high of 1631 in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. But when we look at the overall trend of the price action, it is still in a bearish trend, so you have to be very careful if you are going to trade against the overall trend. And if the bullish side retracement continues also, first level of resistance is going to be the resistance line from the hourly time frame. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to retest at the higher time frame resistance level of 1648. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently 1628 is acting as a support level for the current price action in 30 minutes time frame, and if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1623 and 1616, and 1632 is acting as a current resistance level for the price action in 30 minutes time frame, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1636, 1640 and 1648. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame also. For the resistance levels, please refer the hourly time frame resistance levels. So the current price action in 30 minutes time frame is on a bullish side retracements. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1632, we can expect it to retest at the previous resistance level of 1640. It will also be forming a double bottom pattern during this process. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So currently we are noticing the price action in 15 minutes time frame to be trading resistance level of 1629 and support level of 1628, and if the price action breaks this support level of 1628, next level of support is going to be around 1626, 1625, 1624 and 1622. Here also we have the bearish channel pattern support line from the 4 hours time frame. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1629, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1631, 1634 and 1637. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.